Hello, I'm Thomas. Welcome back to another video. Let's start. These are the materials for your floating souls: styrofoam balls, thin and light fabric and some markers. Give it a face. Wrap the fabric around the head like a ponytail and use a string to hold it. Make it tight. Use white glue for fixation and remove the string after drying. Happy accident, the markers weren't waterproof. Creepy. Seal it with a clear coat. Without the string, the fabric will hang loose. Pull it into position. Stuck a heavy wire into the styrofoam where the ponytail was and bend it down to push it into the ground. Here it is with the gang. Happy Halloween. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. Thank you and have a nice day.